In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize spaces in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clear, scalable structure that makes content easy to find and maintain. First, open Confluence and sign in so you're on the home or dashboard view. Take a moment to notice the global navigation and the Spaces menu. That's where you'll jump between areas later. Next, create a new space and give it a clear, descriptive name. Pick something that reflects the purpose, like product docs or team handbook, and keep the short key concise and memorable. A good name helps people instantly understand what belongs in this space and what doesn't. Now, build out the main categories as top-level pages. Think of these as your primary shelves, for example, overview, processes, projects, or FAQs. Keep the list focused so it's not overwhelming. Add a brief description at the top of each page explaining what content should live there. That guidance will help teammates file new content correctly. With your categories in place, create subpages under each main page to organize details. Use a consistent naming pattern like verb noun or topic version so pages sort logically in the page tree. If you have recurring content types like meeting notes or release plans, use the same sections on each subpage to make scanning faster. To make content more discoverable, add visual labels. On any page, press the L key to open the Labels panel. Labels are lightweight tags that cut across your hierarchy, so people can find related content even if it lives in different branches. Type short, simple label names and apply them to group similar topics. Stick to lowercase, avoid spaces, and reuse existing labels when possible to prevent duplicates. 2 to 3 well-chosen labels per page are usually enough. Later, you'll be able to filter or build lists based on these labels. Head to Space Settings and choose Configure Sidebar. Here you can reorder the page tree to put the most important pages at the top, hide clutter that doesn't need to be front and center, and make the landing page obvious. A clean sidebar is your user's first cue that the space is thoughtfully organized. Finally, set up search-focused macros on your landing page and assign access rights. Consider adding a live search or content by label section so users can jump straight to what they need. Then confirm who can view, add, and edit content, and tighten page restrictions where needed for sensitive material. Publish your changes, keep titles consistent, and review the structure regularly so your space stays useful as it grows.